Hey, it's Lisa with Healthline, and I'm so excited to share with you today our picks for the best food subscriptions. If you know someone who loves food, is getting into cooking, needs some new food ideas, or just want a really easy gift that's gonna show up on someone's doorstep, these food subscription picks are for you. And we really looked at lots of different options and tried to comb through and pick things that were unique and different and also on the nutritious side while still being yummy. We want them to taste good and be really giftable, so not super boring. We have everything from salsas and pickles to coffee, fruit, really unique grocery items, and even seafood made our list. A really nice holiday option there. So if you're looking to give someone a gift and you're not sure what to get, stay tuned to learn more about our favorite food gifts. First up on our list is Mouth Pickle of the Month Club. I feel like if you're a pickle person, you are a real pickle person and you just love them and can't get enough. If you know someone like that, this would be an amazing gift. Also really fun if you know a pregnant person who may be craving pickles all the time to get this monthly delivery, or someone who likes to host. Pickles make a great thing to put out on a cheese board or part of an appetizer spread, and before they're open, they last a long time. Different types of pickles, unique flavors, so not just your classic dill pickles, but think things like pickled tomatoes, pickled cherries, different types of brine on your pickles to get those different flavors. So each month is gonna be something really different. All right, so now the fun part, we get to taste some pickles. First up, we've got this Kansas City Canning Company unfiltered hoppy pickles. So these pickles are a little bit more special than just your typical dill pickles because they have some hop oil added. So the same flavor that you notice in beer is also gonna be in these pickles. So I can't wait to try them. I like beer. When the vinegar hits. It doesn't remind me of beer, but you can tell that there's something different about these pickles. So I think this would be awesome on a burger. All right, next up I'm gonna try these pickled cherries, and I've never had a pickled cherry, so I'm super curious. They are made with vanilla and cinnamon and Pacific Northwest cherries. Ooh, it's got the stem. Wow, so many different flavors at once. Like sweet, cinnamon, I'm getting that vanilla. Bam, the vinegar. It's like puckery, really yummy. I feel like a lot of people are doing takes on dessert now that have some like savoriness to them. And I could totally see these being served with vanilla ice cream. Next up on our list of gifts for the foodies in your life is salsa from Somos. So if you know someone who loves taco night, loves chips and salsa, loves to watch football games and needs some snacks, so pretty much anyone, I think this would be a really unique and special gift. They're also doing a special limited time holiday gift box, which comes with 4 of the salsas and a homemade salsa serving dish. These are the 4 different salsa varieties that Somos makes, and lots of variation here. So this one is roasted tomatillo pasilla pepper salsa. We've got cuatro chiles taqueria salsa, a roasted tomatillo jalapeno salsa, and a smoky chipotle red salsa. I'm gonna try the spiciest one, this cuatro chiles. They also sent us some of their unusually thick and crunchy tortilla chips. Wish me luck. The heat is building. And it's not just like, you know when heat is just super spicy hot? This has a really nice depth of flavor to it. Like there's a lot more going on. It's a little bit smoky. I really like this. I'd probably need some avocados with it to help tone down the spiciness. I appreciate that salsa. Really nice flavor to it. Next, so I should try this tomatillo salsa. I love a green salsa. Almost tastes sweet after having that other spicy salsa. I really like this. I would love this on a taco. That's really yummy and totally different. So that's Somos salsa. Really great gift for someone who loves salsa on your list. Next up, we have Atlas Coffee Club, which is perfect for any coffee drinker in your life, people who love to make coffee at home or are trying to get more into it. Atlas will deliver coffee right to their doorstep every month. They are sourcing beans from around the world, working with farmers in different regions to find beans that are grown sustainably. You get to customize it, you or your gift recipient, based on the type of coffee you like to drink and the type of coffee you like to brew. You can choose whole bean coffee, French press, let them know and they will grind the beans fresh just for you. So I chose to open up these beans from Rwanda. All right, let's brew it up. Nothing like the pressure of pouring boiling hot water on camera. I feel like this would be also really nice to send to someone with a holiday cup or a coffee travel mug. Smells really good. I normally put milk in my coffee, but I feel like I should drink this black to really experience the beans. I like it. I am a coffee snob, but still not sophisticated enough to detect those flavors. I'm just kind of like coffee, good, but really nice, mellow. It's got some depth to it. It's really drinkable. I like it. And I think it's really special. And then they'll get to think of you every morning when they brew their coffee. It's a win-win for everyone. Happy coffee drinkers, happy gift givers. So cheers. Next up on our list, if you have a foodie friend who loves trying the latest in terms of snacking and loves baking things at home or always having a well-stocked pantry, you might want to consider Here Market's Food with Benefits box. Every 3 months, they curate and send out a box filled with better for you pantry staples. So think baking mixes, snacks, we have granola, there's sometimes breakfast items, we got a smoked honey here. So they are sourcing from different artisan food makers and then curating and packaging it up for the gift recipient in your life. This month we have this cinnamon toast granola from Stellar, savory snack cactus sticks, a chocolate baking mix, and then also very excited to try a smoked honey. I'm gonna open up this cinnamon toast granola. Crunchy and crumbly, which is a sign of a good granola, and really does remind me of cereal, which is I think what they were going for here, but probably a little better for you because it's got the whole grains and the oats and it's got some pumpkin seeds. This would be delicious on yogurt. These are Nemi cactus sticks. Ooh, very green like a cactus. I like it. It's got that smoky flavor, not super spicy, just like a really mellow smokiness and a little bit of heat. It's also got some amaranth flour in here and pea protein, but because it comes from cactus, we have some fiber. That's the Here Food with Benefits box. Again, if you're not quite ready to commit to a subscription or you just want to give a smaller gift, they have lots of really nice pre-curated food items on their site, really giftable and unique. You may not think of seafood as a really special holiday gift, but I bet there's lots of people in your life who would love getting a box of goodies from Blue Circle Foods. Hear me out. Seafood, yes, it's really good for you, and most of us don't eat enough, but a lot of us aren't getting enough because it's kind of expensive and people are afraid to mess it up when they cook it. And so Blue Circle Foods take some of that work out of the equation. They are doing this really lovely holiday gift box for anyone who you need to give a gift to. Comes with 2 of these roasted salmon fillets, so already cooked. All you have to do is open them up and serve, and their smoked salmon and a bottle of wine. So very, very giftable. Blue Circle Foods has a lot of really unique seafood offerings on their site. You can get salmon sausages, salmon hot dogs, salmon burgers. You can get shrimp. They also have these unique shaped fish patties. So they look like little fish. They're made with salmon. Could be a really fun way to get kids to eat more salmon. All right, I'm gonna give their smoked salmon a taste. I really wish I had a bagel right now. Smells smoky. I'm getting that aroma before I'm even tasting it. If you like smoked salmon, this is a good smoked salmon. Again, I need my bagel and my cream cheese and my capers, but this would be a really nice gift to receive in the mail. That's Blue Circle Foods. I hope I've convinced you that maybe gifting someone who loves seafood would be a really nice holiday gift. Next up is our Harry and David Fruit of the Month Club. This is a very classic subscription. Harry and David has been doing this for years. Every month, whoever gets this gift will get a different seasonal fruit. So in the winter, they might expect to see things like pears, apples, oranges, and then in the summer, things like strawberries, pineapple, mango. So if you don't live close by to somebody, this gift would be a really nice way to send them something sweet every month. You can go on Harry and David and curate just a one-time box, whether that's just some pears or pairs with a few of their other food offerings. I hope you feel better informed to pick out gifts for everyone after learning more about our food subscriptions. We'll put links down below so you can buy any of the food subscription gifts we talked about today. Plus, we'll include a link to all of the wellness gift guides we put together at Healthline to help you find a gift for everybody on your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more from me and Healthline. And in the meantime, happy holidays.